If you're wondering how to sign up for WebinarJam or EverWebinar, or maybe just curious about what EverWebinar actually is, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the sign-up process for both platforms and give you a quick overview of EverWebinar so you can decide if it's the right choice for your business or personal use. Stick around till the end, because I've got a special bonus for you that you won't want to miss. First things first, WebinarJam and EverWebinar are both excellent tools for running live and automated webinars, respectively. WebinarJam focuses on live events, allowing you to interact with your audience in real time, while EverWebinar is geared toward automating your webinars for a hands-off experience. EverWebinar is perfect if you want to create evergreen webinars that run on autopilot. We'll get into how to sign up for both shortly, but let's first quickly look at the key differences so you know what you're signing up for. Next, let's talk about signing up for WebinarJam. Head over to the WebinarJam website and look for the sign up button. You'll need to choose a plan that works for you. They have different options based on how many attendees you expect, so be sure to pick the right one for your needs. Once you've selected your plan, you'll be prompted to create an account by entering your name, email, and payment information. WebinarJam has a straightforward interface, so setting up your account won't take more than a few minutes. After this, you'll be able to access all of WebinarJam's live webinar tools. Next thing, let's talk about EverWebinar. To sign up for EverWebinar, go to the website and, just like with WebinarJam, choose a plan that suits your business. EverWebinar also gives you a few options depending on how many webinars you want to run. After selecting your plan, you'll enter your email address and create a password. From there, you'll need to confirm your email address, and then you're all set up to start building your automated webinars. The setup process is similar to WebinarJam, but it's optimized for automation, so if you're looking for a hands-off approach, this is the one to go for. The fourth thing to note is the unique features each platform offers. With WebinarJam, you get live chat, email reminders, and the ability to schedule follow-ups, while EverWebinar focuses on automating your webinars, including features like evergreen scheduling, simulated live mode, and automatic email sequences. These features are key to understanding which platform will serve your needs best. And now, here's where it gets interesting. If you want to try WebinarJam or EverWebinar for free, you can grab an exclusive bonus by clicking the first link in the description below. That's right, get access to an extended free trial of both software platforms and experience everything they have to offer without paying upfront. This special deal is available only through our link, so don't miss it. To wrap things up, signing up for WebinarJam or EverWebinar is easy, but understanding which platform fits your needs best is key. Whether you're going for the live experience of WebinarJam or the automated convenience of EverWebinar, both are solid choices. And remember, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial through our link below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the first link below for your exclusive extended trial of WebinarJam and EverWebinar.